So I'm waiting the line for Fuunji Ramen. So we are waiting. Check out the queue for Fuunji Ramen. This is at Shinjuku, Tokyo. So what's happening is the dipping, you can add the soup stock and you can drink it like a soup after you finish everything. I had like the best Tsukemen noodles ever in Japan, and the reason I'm doing the video here because it's really crowded inside and it was really awkward to do a video inside the restaurant. So I waited like 20 minutes and it was pretty alright. There's like a vending machine. Even the signature Tsukemen is only 1,000 yen, which is pretty cheap, I think. Worth the wait. And it's a must visit in Shinjuku, Tokyo. This is Fuunji Tsukemen Ramen noodles.